So I was saying, like, man, you get out of my face. And I love that story. What the? Is that a grenade? I think so. I think I'm gonna go check it out. Okay, so I'm close to the grenade. It's a grenade. I'm gonna pull the pin. Here, watch. Look, I pulled the pin. I'm just gonna stand back here. How come? It's totally safe. Dee! Wow. Bummer. But there's another grenade. It's kind of weird. I have an idea. I pulled the pin on my butt. Oh, dang it, that hurt. Hope you guys have enjoyed our first video. Please like and subscribe and check out Alex's page. He has a lot of fun stuff. If you like and subscribe, we'll make more. Peace out.